Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to simplify this trig expression. In this example, we have two fractions, so we're going to begin by getting a common denominator. Our common denominator is cosine x times 1 plus sine x. Our top term, 1 plus sine x, now gets multiplied by a 1 plus sine x. Let's extend this line out. And then our cosine x gets multiplied by a cosine x. Let's then multiply these terms out. We have a 1 plus 2 sine x plus sine squared x plus cosine squared x. Already we can see something good there with the sine squared plus the cosine squared. And on the bottom, we just recopy what we have. Cosine x times 1 plus sine x. We see that this expression is our Pythagorean expression, and it's going to equal 1. So let's plug that in. So this becomes 1 plus 2 sine x plus 1, all divided by cosine x times 1 plus sine x. I always tell students when they're working through these problems that it's really good practice for when you take calculus, because when you do calculus problems, you have to do a lot of simplification like this. Let's now combine the ones. So this is 2 plus 2 sine x, all divided by cosine x times 1 plus sine x. We can see that we can take a 2 out of each term in our numerator, so let's pull that out. So this is 2 times 1 plus sine x. And then you can see something good. We're also, in our denominator, we have a 1 plus sine x. So that's great. That cancels out, and we're left with a 2 divided by cosine x, which is just 2 times secant x. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.